Right, everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, I've got a new gun light for you. So this is the Brinyte XP22 Scorpion. This is a dual-headed gun light. Mounts on either a weaver rail or Picatinny rail. So this has two settings, which is basically just on and strobe. Don't really need much more than that. Very powerful lights. They go up to 1,300 lumens. Got impact resistance about 1 meter, IP66 waterproof. Switch to turn it on is at the back. So you just press it once to turn it on. Double tap it to strobe, which I won't do. You have a spring-loaded catch at the bottom, so it can be put on quick release essentially, but you can tighten it up with this screw, so it goes on very tight. Low profile, so this can sit on a gun on a long rail and sit in front of a red dot sight, and you can still see over it. I personally put this on this paintball gun, TR50. It works absolutely brilliantly on this gun. So I'll quickly show you it outdoors and then I'll show you it inside. So this is the light indoors. I've shown you outdoors. I've got the light actually on the pistol at the minute, and I'll see if I can show you this. So this is the actual light. This is the quality of the light you would get, which I think is very, very decent. You see the prop head down there. Okay, if I can show you this, that the actual hotspot of the light very much where this would be aiming. So at a certain distance you could probably use that hotspot to actually aim. I wouldn't rely on that, but it's a good quick method to hit a target, sort of torso type size. So yeah, there you go. I'll just show you the strobe, so just be aware that that's going to go on now. So at the front there, that is the magnetic charger. Here's the wire for that. Has a light that glows, I think it's red when charging and green once charged. Has the battery included, which is a 1,100 milliamp hour battery. Weighs about 100 grams, so as you can see, not very big at all. One thing to mention, because it tricked me at one point, this does have a lockout mode. So if you hold the button down for 5 seconds, it will lock it so that it can't be turned on and off. So just be aware of that. If you think it's not working, check the instructions. It may just be on the lockout mode. This also has the different, I've taken mine off, but they have different mounting strips here for different size weaver rail and Picatinny rails. So there you go. That is the Brinyte XP22. I'll put a link in the description. They cost about 100 quid. You might be able to get them cheaper. And I've got 2 of these, so I may sell one. So if you're interested and you want one for about half price, let me know and I'll sell you one of mine. But yeah, otherwise, just look online, look on the Brinyte website, and you can find them. Cheers for watching. Don't forget to like the video, definitely subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you. See you later.